In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows was unable to get a list of devices from Windows to Update. So if you're coming across this issue, this tutorial should hopefully be able to resolve your problem. First thing I would suggest would be to actually run a Windows Update and see if that might be able to fix the issue. So go ahead, open up Windows Update and try and run an update. If you are still experiencing a problem after running the updates, next thing I would suggest would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in command prompt. Best match should come back with command prompt here. Right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy them one at a time. So I'm going to just copy the first one, go up to the top of the command prompt, edit, and then paste it in. Again, just do exactly what you see in the order of which I'm showing it in the description, and I'll be doing it in the same order on screen right now, so should be pretty easy to follow along. So I'm just going to go through this here for a moment, so just watch what I'm doing. And once that is copied and it just says System32, a blinking little cursor at the end, and you've run through all of them, hopefully you will be able to close out the command prompt, open up the Start menu, type in File Explorer. Best match should come back with File Explorer. Left click on that one time. On the left side, left click on this PC. Double click on wherever Windows is installed on, so it should be your local disk. Should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive indicating where Windows is installed on. Double click on that. Double click on Windows. Scroll down to System32. Double click on that. Go down to cat root 2. So left click on the cat root 2.old folder, right click on it, left click on delete, and it should say it's preparing to remove the recycling bin, and once it's done, just close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.